Hello everyone, I am MetroMaster and thank you for joining me. Today we will ride and review a bus service between New York City and Washington, D.C. This is the Jet Coach. On the day of my trip, I made my way to the departure location at West 33rd Street and 11th Avenue. Upon boarding, I was greeted warmly by the coach attendant. My vaccination card was checked and I took my seat. The Jet complies with federal and safety health mandates. Therefore, you will be required to always wear your 3-point shoulder and lap seatbelt. The coach attendant instructs accordingly and gives a short familiarization talk on how to operate and enjoy the hover seats. A very personal touch is that our attendant didn't use the bus public address system, nor did she stand at the front of the bus and raise her voice. Instead, she spoke to each individual row of seats. As I got settled in, the driver also asked if he could be of any assistance. That should be 5 stars for customer service. The bus itself was a modern, impeccably clean Prevost with a hardwood floor. There are 5 rows of seats configured in a 2-and-1 slightly staggered arrangement with the single seats charging a small premium. This creates a generous seat pitch and an equally generous recline angle. The seats themselves, described as hover seats, do exactly that. They float, while the bus itself bounces on the imperfections in the roadway. There is also a very nicely appointed restroom and a well-stocked refreshment bar from which the coach attendant operates. Refreshments were served from time to time. I may have missed a serving as the Jet follows the standard procedure of not disturbing sleeping passengers, and those hover reclining seats were just too comfortable for me to not sleep. Another 5 stars for creature comforts. On the day I traveled, the Northeast was experiencing monsoon-like conditions. We soon began to lose time because of the weather-related traffic conditions, and as the weather further deteriorated, we found ourselves completely stopped because of traffic accidents ahead. These delays were so significant that we were not even in Delaware when we should have been arriving in Washington, D.C. To make matters worse, the toilet became inoperable, necessitating a rest stop. The weather seemed to slack a little while we were stopped, and we made good time from that point onward. Our coach attendant apologized for our experience on this trip and announced that the company's owner was distressed by our inconvenience and delay. He therefore offered us a 50% refund of this day's fare and promised a further 50% discount on our next trip with the Jet Coach. That should be another 5 stars for offering compensation above and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up. If you also click the subscribe and notifications, you will know when I post new content. Thank you for joining me today. Stay well and blessed until next time.